In this video, we are going to see how we can set Google Chrome as default browser in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, what you need to do is just open up the start menu. And once we have this open, on the right hand side, we can see the settings. Just go ahead and click on that. And on the left hand side, we get the apps. Just click on that. And here on the third option, it says default apps. Click on there. And you can find Google Chrome here, but if you just want to type to search, just write here Chrome, make sure the spellings are correct, hit search, and this works for the links. Let's write Chrome here, and just next to it is an arrow sign. Just click on that, and it says make Google Chrome as your default browser. Yes, I want to continue. Click on set default, and as you can see, by default all were set to Microsoft Edge, but when I done this, it has said and changed everything to Google Chrome. And as you can see, some of them are still not converted. What you can do is just click on this once and you will get this option. Suggested apps is Google Chrome. Let's click on set default. Same thing if you want to open, let's say, a PDF document by Google Chrome. It says try Microsoft Edge, it's fast, but let's say switch anyway to Google Chrome. Same thing, let's do it for here, and let's do it one by one for everything else. That needs to be done manually because it only sets some of them, which is most commonly used to Google Chrome, and the rest it keeps it to Edge. So that's how we can do it. After that, all of your documents like PDF files along with all the other browser, if you let's say click on Word document link, which redirects to a website, it will always open in Google Chrome. So that's how it is done. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on our channel, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.